Hey, how's it going? Clifford Kennels here. We're with Black Betty von Clifford, sitting at 10 beautiful pups. You can see she's still got a good healthy weight on her. There could be one or two more in there, but we'll see. She's still a little swollen. I'm hoping it's just the placenta sac. 10 is a good amount. She only has 10 milking nipples, so anything more would actually be a pain. These pups are going to be available. When they do, they will come with their tails. I'm not docking the tails. They will have their dew claws removed tomorrow. They'll come with first shots, health certificate, and they will all be microchipped. Being that is the law here in the county that we're in, they're all doing great, in perfect health, no runts. And you see we got her in the whelping pen we made. She's in the 5th wheel. Nice and warm. I'm probably going to grab her another light here tomorrow or later today just to make sure that they stay warm. As you can see, she's not actually under the light right now, but it's warm out, so they should be fine. So adorable. You say hi, Betties? So I believe the count right now was 4 boys and 6 girls. She's a very, very good mom. Her sister was a very good mom. So the pups all got nice big heads. Oh, at the whiners. Say hi, Betty. The girls have been in here all morning with the pups and her while she was delivering. So what you see right there, her licking their crotches and everything, that's her actually trying to get them to pee and poo, and then she'll eat it. That's what a good mama dog's supposed to do. They're adorable. Look at this one. Say hi, baby. She's tired. She's been going all morning. She's ready to lay down and take a nap as soon as these ones do. Hope you like the video. If you do, don't be shy. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. If there's any questions you have on how to set them up or raise them or take care of them or anything, go ahead and leave it in the comments, or you can message us on our Instagram at Clifford_Kennels. I hope that's all placenta and not another puppy. 10's enough. Nah, she won't eat it. Yeah, they do. Yeah, it's 10. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out our other channel, Clifford Kennels Collection. Out.